civilization. Ancient and wicked. Have you ever seen this before?
No. Let's waste no time.
Welcome to Rome. Whose dynasty is this? It's no one's dynasty. Then who is your king? We don't have a king. What? We're a constitutional republic. We sort of take it in turns to be consul of the month. Now, all decisions by that consul must be ratified at a monthly forum of the Senate. Yes, by a simple majority in the case of purely internal affairs. Be quiet! Or by a 2/3 majority in the case of, I order you to be quiet. Order, eh? Who do you think you are? I am Conan, king of Cimmeria. Well, I didn't vote for you. You don't vote for kings. How'd you become king then? While being chased by a pack of hungry wolves, I stumbled into the ancient burial chamber of a great giant who had once battled against the gods. I wrested this massive sword of Atlantean steel from his crumbling hand, signifying by divine providence that I, Conan, should wield it. That is why I'm your king. Look, clumsy barbarians falling into subterranean crypts, stealing historical artifacts, is no basis for a system of government. Supreme executive power derives from a mandate from the citizens, from the Senate and the people of Rome. SPQR, not from some medieval dumpster dive. I mean, if I was to run around calling myself emperor just because I thought some ancient god of the earth had Crom. Yeah, that guy. Anyway, thanks for watching.